Tony from Pest-Ex. Today I want to show you a job we're at. A client's called up. They found termites up in the roof of their home. No sign of termites below. We're on a second story, and termites have appeared in the roofing beams of the home with no signs of termites below. So that activity was about the size of a tennis ball 4 or 5 days ago. Today it's grown to well over the size of a football, so that gives you a good idea of how quick termites can move. So let's take a look below. Let's determine where they've got in the house, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we're about 5 minutes into the termite inspection now, and I've found an entry point which is super tricky for a homeowner to see. Most homeowners think, you know, our house is built up on brick, we've got ant capping, timbers up off the ground. You know, termites, we see termites all the time find their way into houses like this. So I'll give you a close-up look of what we can see here. I can see the termite trails going up between the brickwork, between the slurry here of when the bricks were laid, and they're going straight up into the home. So let's take a close-up look at that. You can see the mud trail there going up straight from the soil through all the brickwork straight up into the home. So that's the first entry point we've found so far. So let's take a look at if we can see any more entry points. It is rare for termites to just get into a home in one area. There's a good chance we'll find other areas where they're getting in. Okay, so we've found another entry point here. You can see that the termites have travelled along the soil. They've made their mud track straight up over the ant capping, straight through the inside and straight up into the home. So this is a good indication that termites are definitely travelling up and down here 24/7 into the house. So I can see another little spot here. You can see the termite mud there where they've actually come out of the ground there, travelled the way along here, straight up into the house. So we've found the third and last entry point on this house. I can see a little bit of termite mudding in between those flooring beams there. Now this is ant capping. It's designed to stop termites getting from the ground up into the house, but what happens is it rusts out. Naturally it rusts over time, and the termites here, you've seen, they've come straight through the brickwork, up the brickwork, and they've found a spot somewhere between there and here through the rust where they've got straight up into the home. So this is a third spot that they're getting in. So dealing with termites, it's really important to know where they're getting into the house, and it makes our treatment much more of a success when we know where the entry points are. We're here back at the same property 21 days after the original termite inspection. On the day of the inspection, the homeowner was adamant he wanted the termites out of the home as quick as possible. So this treatment was quite unique. We combined a liquid treatment with a baiting treatment, and the benefit of the liquid treatment of the entry points was it got them out of the house quick. So 21 days later today, we've confirmed that the termites inside are dead. They're all gone. There's no activity in those entry points or the termite trails that we found earlier. So what we've done, basically step one, we've eliminated the termites in the house. Step two, which is really important, is eliminating the colony. So with this type of home, it doesn't suit a liquid termite barrier just because of the different levels. It's built into the side of a hill. So this home is best suited for a termite baiting system. So the system we've used today is the new Trelona system from BASF. It is a really good termite baiting system. And what's really different about this system is that the termite baits in the ground don't contain timber like most conventional systems. They contain these tablets Now these tablets contain novafluron, which eliminates termite colonies. So the termites naturally feed on these, or I call them tablets because they look like tablets. Now these tablets contain cellulose, which is what termites eat wood for, but they don't know it contains the novafluron, which they spread back to the colony as a food source, and in anywhere from 2 to 3 months will eliminate that whole termite colony. So these baits, the system we've got here is what's called double active, meaning these termite baits have got 2 of these cartridges in each station. So the other thing with these cartridges is each one of these tablets contains enough active ingredient to eliminate a termite colony. So naturally, with 2 of these in each station, this home's got 20 stations in the ground. So that's 40 cartridges that they've got in the ground working 24/7. When termites naturally, their natural food is cellulose. They naturally travel through the ground, they find these tablets, they feed on them, spread the product back to the colony, and we achieve colony elimination. That termite colony will never attack this house again. And the benefit with these systems as well, even if the neighbour's got a termite colony on their property, termite colony travels through the ground, bang, hits one of these stations, eats one of these tablets, it will eliminate that colony as well. So this home, we've successfully eliminated the termites in it, will eliminate the colony in the ground and protect it through regular monitoring every 8 to 10 weeks for future colonies, and eliminate them and replace these tablets as colonies eat them. So that's basically how we've successfully treated this home for termites and protected it against future termite colonies.